Hi everyone, I am going to show you how you can share a Google Drive link to anybody you want to share it with easily. So one of the things you want to do is actually go to Google Drive, log in, and then follow along. Now, if you're logged in and you are in the folder or in the file that you want to share, we're going to show you how you can share the folder. Okay, so this is a folder here, and if we click this folder, we see a file inside right here. We see the file. I'm going to move over here. This is the file, and this is the folder. Very, very simple. Now, if I wanted to share the folder, you see these three dots over here, more action. So you tap that. Move out of the way again over here for you. You tap that and you see share. The very first thing you see is share. Now, when you tap share, what pops up? You can add people. And you can add groups. So you can add an email, or if you have a workspace, a Google Workspace group name, you can add it over there. Also, it shows that you have access. We're the owner, so it shows you have access to it. And general access restricted. So this link is restricted in the sense that anyone can't see it. If I clicked anyone with the link, anybody could see it. Simple. It's out there. If you don't want it to be out there, you want to make sure that you're within your organization or that you are restricting it. It's very, very important. So you just don't have some funny stuff out there that you don't want out there. Okay, so now, again, I'm just going to show you what happens now. So if we share this and we copy the link, because here's the link here. If you copy this link, you will get access to this folder, right? Now, if you add somebody's email here and you click done, it sends you a prompt to be able to ask if to send them an email to notify them that they now have access to your group. So that's something to take note of, but I just do it the safe way. Even if I add somebody, I just always still copy the link and go send it to them and say, hey, FYI, I've given you access to this link. And typically, once they click that link, they can automatically just log in. So it's very, very important. Okay, so if we go to the copy link here, right, we're going to paste it over here. We've copied that link and see what happens because we shared the folders. Okay, so see, this is the folder we shared and this is the file in it. So moral of the story is you want to always look for the three dots. The three dots are very important in your Google Drive because with those three dots, you can share the link. You can copy the link to be able to share it. You can actually grant people access so that they can go in and check it out. But that's how you can share a link in your Google Drive. Now, I hope this was helpful again. And if it is, like the video and also subscribe again to our channel so you can always continue to see great content that is helpful for you. Well, good luck sharing. Take care.